Goat and gentle. Both the words are starting with letter G. But in a goat, the sound of letter G it's G. In gentle, the sound of letter G is J. Why? Let's check it out. Letter G has two sounds, hard G and soft G. Hard sound of letter G will be G and soft sound of letter G will be J. When letter G is followed by vowel A, O, U or any other consonant, it will give us G sound. When letter G is followed by vowel E, I or Y, it gives us J sound. If letter G meets the vowel A, O, U or consonant, it usually makes its hard sound G, as in gorilla. If letter G meets the vowel E, I or Y, it usually makes its soft sound J, as in giraffe. Let's read the words. Here, G after O. So, it's a G. Good. Here, G after U. Gun. Gate. Here, G after L. And L is consonant. So, it's glad. Not glad. Glad. Here, G after E. So, it's give us J sound. Not G. It's a gem. Giant, germ, gypsy. At the end of the word, it usually makes its hard sound G, not J. Pig, bug, twig. Hope this video is helpful to you. Kindly like and share our video.